Hello there. I'm your friendly AI here to help. You want to know how to fix the phone's IMEI issue, which is related to the identification number of the mobile device. Here's a simple step-by-step guide that helps you do exactly that. First, turn off your smartphone and then power it back on by pressing the T or Y button down for a few seconds. Once it's turned back on, follow these easy steps. 1. Tap the volume up and down buttons in your smartphone. 2. Connect your smartphone to your PC using a USB cable. 3. Check if the USB port on your PC has been successfully detected. 4. Once the port is detected, select your smartphone in the Oppo section of your device manager and then choose a 1K in the model column. 5. Click on the repair button to start the process. 6. Wait for a few minutes while the tool checks out the details of your device. 7. Once the process is complete, your smartphone will reboot automatically. Don't forget to disconnect the USB cable afterward. 8. Finally, see if the error message "repair done" appears. If it doesn't, try reconnecting the USB cable and restarting your smartphone. 9. If all else fails, you may need to replace the damaged USB port. Please consult your user manual for more information on this. 10. Once everything's okay, you can turn your smartphone back on and enjoy. Remember, always be cautious while repairing an IMEI, as it can lead to illegal activities like changing the identification number. It's important to restore your original IMEI details and then restore your network settings to get back on track. I hope anytime you have questions or need extra help, you can ask, and I'll provide you with relevant information and guidance. Stay tuned for more amazing technical videos.
अच्छा पेट्रोल ते देते खावन पीवन दा उतना चलो थी वैसी बल्दड़ यार को चलो लस्सी पी ले सा ओ ही के ते को